Hey guys, it's me, and can you tell I'm really, really happy? I got a call from the bank, and I'm getting my money back. I'm just like, oh, what? So all I had to do was fill out a police report, which, why they didn't tell me that before, she said, well, they're asking that you fill out a police report once we get a copy of that, I did it online, I'll get the copy back, send it to them, I guess. Anyway, I'm sorry, something came up over my screen. So yeah, and I go, but why is it not guaranteed? She goes, did you hear me? You're getting your money back. I'm like, okay. So good news. Everybody was like, you're not getting it back, but you guys never gave up hope, so I appreciate that. Okay. So, I've had a card. I'm really bad. I have a little box by my door, and I did not get it out. And this card is from Loie Beck, Loie. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? I love how she added. So, here's a sticker on here. This is a sticker. This is a cardinal. Oh my gosh, look at the stamp. That is adorable. I love it. And then inside she did die cuts for me. Oh my gosh. So there's this. Something fell. And that's bad because, oh my gosh, things fall on my floor. That's it. So I'll find it. Little mittens. Oh, this is so sweet of you. What a great way to... Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Loie or Louie. I don't know. Sorry. You're probably used to it. You have one of those names. I'm sure you hear this. I don't know. Try Reitmeyer or Wickheiser. So anyway, these are... Oh, look at the mouse. Oh my gosh. He's adorable. Thank you so much. Little snowflake in there. That is so sweet of you. You guys are just... I was like, I gotta get home and get on and tell them about my good news. So I did go and get my nails done. She always does such a nice job. They're pretty. There you go. I asked for just one snowflake. So then... Oh, God. Who did I get this from? Sue Ellen. That's right. Jeez. I'm not kidding you. I kind of worry about my brain. Can't remember nothing. Sue Ellen, she sent me, I'm so excited, a gnome advent calendar. Oh my gosh. She goes, I hope it gets there in time for you to use it. Yeah, it did, Sue Ellen. Oh my gosh. So look at this. I have to be good and wait. This will give me something to look forward to each and every day. Oh my gosh. Sue Ellen, that is over the top. You guys just spoil me so much. So I will be sharing what I get out of there. That is just too cute. All right. I've got a couple of... I'll get the Walmart. I got one thing at Walmart. I think it's all I was going to share. $1.98. But again, tiered tray. See, it's a little bucket. Snow. Peppermints. Cuteness. Yeah, $1.98. So this is from Walmart. The rest of this is Dollar Tree. Okay. Oh, God, I can't tell you. My trailer is okay. My money is coming back. It's like, hallelujah. Okay, all right. So, been to Dollar Tree a couple times, as I do. Got these. I don't know what they're going to smell like. Scented wax. So there's 6 of them. Crimson cranberry and sugar pine and pomelo. Let me see. I like that one. Yep, pine. I don't know what pomelo is, but it does smell like cranberry. So thank you, Dollar Tree. God, I'm overexcited. Sorry. All right, I got 3 of these because I'm sorry, but would this not be the cutest? It's a sucker, and they can each have it in their mouth, and I'll take a picture of the girls. So there. And I think I can keep the packaging. Heading to the cold Siberia Eastern Washington, so I got me these gloves. $1.25. Ladies brushed finished gloves. And they have that tip on them so you can use your phone. There you go. I'll put those over there. I gotta start packing. I know, me and shipping labels, but I need to label my boxes, and rather than, I thought, I think I have these, but if I don't, I'm ready. So there you go. And I saw these, and in January I do snow, so I got one big one of a snowflake and two small ones. So one big one in the middle and two small on each side of like my mantle. So there you go. Gonna do that. Oh, I need to. I'm gonna forget the girls' treats. Put that over there. Okay. I just grabbed these just to grab them because you always need these, and especially around Christmas. So I got me some of those. Nothing exciting there. There's Snow Place Like Home. Isn't he the most precious? And there was only one left, so I thought, I'm gonna get it. So I did. This ornament. Very pretty. Isn't that pretty? It's got the gold here. I mean, you could add more if you wanted. I might add something here, like a bow. But yeah. I'm sure there's people out there that are like redoing the entire thing. But and then I found these for my farm book with the girls. It's actually flannel at Dollar Tree. And I had to order another one because I screwed up the pages on the other one, and I want to keep with that one. So anyway, I ordered another one on eBay. Really? I mean, seriously. But anywho, it's pretty. Got the cows, the rabbits, the chickens. What is that? Oh, a pig. I thought it was like a jellyfish. Duckies. Cute. And then this one, which I've never seen these before. I was kind of surprised that they had them at this time of year. It was just in the craft section, you know, where they put the little lammy, same, you know, but it has the words with it. The other one didn't. Cute, cute, more cute. So I'll keep that in my stash. Okay, let's see here. Then I saw these up by these little cards. I used to love this cartoon. That's how old that thing is. Old. I thought I didn't really look to see what they looked like. Oh, okay. So it's frosty on every one of them. So here's the one side, and then you get the different colors. So I'll take these with me. I always try to bring stuff to do or with the girls and gifts and stuff, but then they just run around doing their own thing, and it never usually doesn't happen. But if I don't bring something, that's when, yeah, they'll be like, what are we going to do? So I'll bring it just in case. Aren't these cute, though? Look at him. Oh, so sweet. That's always been a good cartoon. Oh, there he is. Belly Whopper. Fastest belly whopper in the world. So there we go. Get them in different colors. North Pole. Oh, that's cute. So I thought, even for just junk journals that I do all the time, I told Coca Rosa you can get your 30% off through January. So if you want that later on, just go back to one of my last two videos, but I'm not going to do design for them in December. It's too busy. I'm like, and those take me a while, so it's like, I'll take a break. So, but yeah, you could still use my Kimbo 30 if you want 30% off through January. Okay. And there's this. I've seen this, and I've seen this, and I finally decided, look at this. I'm only a morning person on December 25th. I just thought that was so cute. So I got me that one. I did pay $3. I just had to have this little Rudolph. Isn't that vintage look? It's a countdown calendar. Now, I am not 5 years old, but Emma will get a kick out of it when she's here, and the girls will be here a couple of days in December, so I just thought that's worth $3 to me. That's cute. Countdown to Christmas decor. So $3 for that. But look at that vintage image, and then it's got the real little, you know, well, not real, but plastic, like, boughs. I can talk, not. Anyway, I just think that's, look at that bird. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I was excited to put that. I'd never had a countdown one, so now I do. There you go. Okay, what else? Oh, well, before I get to that. So I found these today. These end up being, I mean, I'm amazed at their mats for placemats like this. You go anywhere else and they're expensive. So I got 2 of the Joy, and I got 2 of the Snowflake. So I could have these out on my table for Christmas. And let's see. This was there, and I should have gotten the cups too. This is amazing to me. $1.25, right? That's not the... No, I told her no on the... Anyway, they were $1.25. Minnie Mouse placemats for Vienna and Tori. Riley. That's their mother. God. Oh, I just think these are adorable. Aren't these cute? Seriously. So I'll take those to them. Emma doesn't really. She's older now. I'll explain to her. Okay, I'm thinking with these, because I keep buying these darn things, if there's got to be a way I could put like little holes in there and lights. Is that not gorgeous? That would be a perfect. It was $1.25. Little wall hanging. So I got that, and then same idea coming in my little pea brain. I probably won't do it, but it's a thought. Isn't that gorgeous? Who was that artist that did all the... Kincaid. Thomas Kincaid. That's what this looks like. Look at the snowman couple. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so I don't know if I showed this one. I've had it for a couple, before this haul. Anywho, these boxes are amazing to me. And I kind of randomly just stuck some dies and stuff in there, and I thought, ooh, I could keep my stuff down here without it looking like a mess. Like my dies and stuff, I could put them in here. So, my gosh, when I get an idea, that's it, I'm doing it. So, I can put, so I got 1, 2, because it'd just be set around and look like decoration, but they're also storage. So this one says, Merry Blessed, Christmas Obsessed. This one side is better. Happy Holidays. Of course, I love this one. It's teal. Look at how, you could get any size. They're all $1.20. I mean, they have different sizes, small down to small ones. And then this one with the little snowman. Hello. Cute, cute, and more cute. So I got those to store Christmas embellishments and stuff in. Yeah. Anyway, that's my thought with those. I don't think they have anything. Oh, I got these for Emma. And then for the ride, I got us some sweet, be in the back of the back seat. Anyway, Sweet Chaos. So. And I think the drive will be a good one, so I'm not too worried about it. We can get bad snow, but Brian will be driving his 4-wheel drive truck, so we should be just fine. Put him in charge. There's my third reindeer lollipoppers. So, oh, wait for it. One more sign. I know if I sat here long enough, I'd find something else. Oh, his mustache got, I could just glue that down. I have a thing about their darn signs. Yeah, I'll get some glue. No, don't worry, you guys. That's fixable. I can repair his mustache. But look at this. So cute. And these are pretty. I went to Ben Franklin. Felt really bad, but They had signs very similar, maybe a little thicker than the Dollar Tree. They wanted 10, you know, I know they're not the Dollar Tree, but $10, it's like, I just couldn't get myself to do it. All right, I think I will go back there on, oh wait, no, there's still more on, when we get back from our trip on Sunday, they will be having a sale, so Black Friday thing. This has, I can't remember if I have the angel, so I think I do, but isn't she precious? My mother collected angels, so that kind of reminds me of my mom, which is a good memory. So holidays always bring back those. I'm finding that instead of remembering right now, I think it's all the old songs that are coming on the radio. We already have a station that's playing, you know, Christmas. And a lot of it's Bing Crosby, which my mother loved. Their bingo, she called them. Anyway, it's bringing back childhood Christmas memories rather than my kids' memories. Maybe I'm just not going there because of what happened. I don't know. But anyway, so it's been okay. You know, holidays are hard. If you're struggling, I hear you. It is really hard. Let's keep yourself busy. Get together with friends if you can. But if you've lost a loved one or going through a divorce or, you know, even years later, it's still not easy. But I've gotten over it. I mean, I'm doing so good that it's not, you will get there where you will be able to build your own life, become your own person. I don't mean to lecture here, but I just thought I'd throw that in because this is a hard time. But I am blessed. I know I have good friends and I have my family. And so, yeah, I feel very blessed. I'm very lucky. So hopefully if you're going through that, you have people that are surrounding you and supporting you as well. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, the other, sorry, Wired. I thought, you know, with this, I'm making these signs, busted canvases and stuff. This might be cool on there. Okay. I believe that's it now. All right. Take care, you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.